How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So you are here for your speaking test
Yes.
of the IELTS. So why you are interested to go for IELTS?
Because my future plan is go to abroad for my higher studies, and we all know the IELTS is very important for going for higher studies.
Okay. Why not India? Because a lot of universities are available in India, and education is now much better than few countries. Then why you opted abroad?
Yes, I completely agree that India is very have good education as well as very improving country. But we all know there are lack of jobs, and due to this, I choose my higher study for abroad.
Okay. So in last 1.5 year, whole world was under the pandemic attack and all these things. How it affected your life and what is the present situation?
As we all know, the corona is a very pandemic situation all over the world. Even not a country suffered, but all over the world and all countries suffer from this problem. Um, on that time, it is very worse because many people lost their loved ones, and many face many difficult situation in lockdown. They lose their jobs, and but now, thanks to God, it is very normal. All people come to their normal life, and they also join their jobs, and they enjoy their lives.
Okay. And what difference this pandemic made in your life and in your family?
This pandemic is not only me, but it also make difference in other life, because now people are more concerned about their health as well as the hygienic, because we all know in this problem the hygienic is very important for all over the world.
As you say that people are more concerned about the hygiene and health, what you do to keep yourself healthy and hygienic?
Firstly, I consider the mask as well as hand wash, sanitizers, and most importantly, I prefer the homemade food, because we all know homemade food is very healthy and very important for us, because we gain many nutritions from it. And now people are consider homemade food rather than the fast food and the instant food.
But majority of the students in your age enjoy to hang out outside and enjoy the outside food and all these things. So don't you think you are different from others, or you are telling something different than others?
But I'm talk about the situation in the coronavirus time. More people are concerned about the homemade food, and now people are back to their normal life, and they also love to enjoy and chill with their friends. Now even restaurants are very concerned about the hygienic as well as about their food quality, and so it is very. Now time is changed, and it is very different from the past, and because now more people are concerned about the health.
Do you love your country and why?
Yes, I love my country. Every person loves their countries. There are lots in my country. There are lots of things, especially there are lots of places to chill, and they are very beautiful country. And in my country, lots of greenery there, and lots of things I love about my country. They are the diversity of weathers. Especially we can find snow in winters, and they are also a desert area, and they are also a rainforest in country.
Dear students, good morning to all of you. By this YouTube channel of how you can perform better and in natural style and in a freestyle speaking, I welcome you all who are watching our channel. Along with me, my student Gurpreet Kaur is with me. She is going to face her IELTS test on which date?
26.
On the 26th of this November. And when I came in the morning, she was a bit nervous. I just asked her to be normal and feel fresh, because she is already prepared. And but stress and strain whenever we appear comes automatically, but we have to come out of that, because when you will face the real time, so-called speaking, your stress level is bound to increase.
Yes, sir.
But how to come out of that? You have to feel that I know the things, I have prepared well. Because have you prepared well?
Yes, sir.
So once you have worked hard, you prepared well and you have done well. So but we have to send the message all is well. Right?
Yes.
Have you seen the movie?
Yes, sir.
Which movie?
3 Idiots.
Great. You have seen the movie 3 Idiots, all is well. So we have to send this message over and again that all is well, right? Because we have to be very relaxed, very natural for getting the 7 band and above. And I wish you 9 bands in this speaking on the 26th because you are doing well. So students, keep in touch with us. We will certainly give you very natural type of the tips to get the maximum bands. And I wish you all the best whosoever are going to appear in the IELTS exam. Stay connected. Thank you very much.